Hello everyone, welcome. Today we are going to talk about something very important in data analysis, and that is how businesses actually use data to make decisions. A lot of people think that data analysis is all about numbers, charts, and complex tools. But before any of that, data analysis starts with thinking. By the end of this lesson, you will understand that data analysis is not about being a math genius, it is about making better decisions.
So let's start with a simple definition. Data analysis is the process of using information to make better decisions. That's it. It is not bigger than that. So it means you collect information, you look at it, you understand what it is telling you, then you decide what to do next. So when you collect the information, when you look at it, the moment you understand what it is telling you, you are focusing on the insight, not just the numbers at this point, the insight. Then you decide what to do next. So whenever you see this flow, this data, insight, then decision, that is data analysis in action, nothing more than that. So this is where many beginners get scared. When people hear data analysis, they immediately think, oh, data analysis deals with plenty numbers. You're going to deal with hard calculations, complex formulas. But the truth is, data analysis is not just numbers. No, numbers are only there to support your understanding. Do you get what I'm trying to say? They are only there to support your understanding. The real goal is to answer questions and decide actions. So data analysis is not just numbers, it is about understanding what information means, then deciding what action to take next. So always remember this, numbers are not the goal, decisions are the goal. So where do businesses get data? Where do businesses collect the data from every day? Now, businesses don't go around looking for data like something special. No, they don't do that. They get data from things they already do. For example, their sales record, that's what people buy, customer feedback, what customers say, social media activity, the likes, the comments, the messages you receive or the business receive from their social media account, then school results, which is the scores and performance. So all these are data. So any information that can help you understand what is happening is data. Do you get that? So I want to explain how sales data helps businesses decide. Imagine a business that sells shoes. At the end of the month, they check which products sell the most, which products do not sell well, what should be restocked or what should be stocked, which days do customers buy more. I'm just adding more to what I'm trying to explain to you. Now, the numbers alone don't mean much. Do you get what I'm trying to say? The numbers alone don't mean much. The important question is, what decision should the business make? So from this data, from the sales data, they might decide to restock the shoes that sold well. They might decide to stop selling the ones that did not sell well. They might even decide to run promotions on certain days. So at that point, that's what we call thinking process. That thinking process is what we now call data analysis. Do you understand? Then the next one is how marketing data guides strategy, marketing decisions. So imagine a business post on Instagram, they post on Facebook, they post on WhatsApp. After some time, they notice that Instagram brings more customers than Facebook. Facebook has less engagement. So what is the decision here? Which platform brings more customers? Which ads perform better? Where should effort and money be focused? So what is the decision here? They may decide to focus more on Instagram. They may decide to improve their Facebook content. They may decide to stop spending money where results are poor. Again, data has helped them to decide where to focus their efforts. You can see the importance of using data. Now, let's use an example everyone can relate to: school results. If a school looks at exam results and notices that students performed well in English, students struggle in mathematics, the school doesn't just say these are the scores. Nah, they don't do that. They have to ask, do we need more math teacher? Do students need extra lesson? Should teaching method change? Do you get what I'm trying to say? So through that, they'll be able to get which subject did the student perform well in, which subject did students struggle with, and how teaching and learning can improve. So that is also data analysis. They are using information to improve outcomes. The role of a data analyst. Now, a data analyst helps businesses answer important questions. This is where the data analyst comes in. A data analyst helps businesses answer questions like, why is this thing not working? What exactly is not working? What exactly is not working? And what is working? What should we improve? So a data analyst doesn't just show numbers. They explain what those numbers mean and help decision makers understand them. So skills data analysts use: observation, logical thinking, problem solving, and clear communication. Now, notice something. I don't know if you notice something important here. These skills actually are not scary. Observation is just noticing patterns. Logical thinking, you making sense of information. Problem solving, finding better ways to solve a problem. Communication, explaining insight clearly. So these are skills many people already use in daily life. So data analysis simply teaches you how to apply them professionally. Now, I think I hear this question mostly: oh, do you need to be good at math? No, advanced math is not required. So this question always comes up: do I need to be good at math? The answer is no. Actually, you need basic understanding, not advanced mathematics. The focus is on thinking, you understanding, you making decision. So these tools, there are tools that help with calculation. Actually, your own job is to understand what the result means. So data analysis is a way of thinking. Data analysis is about thinking clearly. It's about making informed decision. So data analysis is not just a skill; it is a way of thinking. Also, it helps you make informed decisions. It helps you reduce guessing. It helps you improve result or outcome. So if you can look at information and ask, what does this mean, and what should we do next, you're already thinking like a data analyst. The fact that you asked a question, what does this mean? The fact that you asked another question, what should we do next? You are already a data analyst.
If you want to learn how to think like a data analyst and turn everyday information into smart decisions, follow and subscribe for more lessons.